Hi, today we're going to look at the Maxi Skin machine here at CiMa-Pak. This is a nice new item to do skin packaging. It can also do mat. To get it started, we are going to turn on the heaters. Of course, you have to allow the heaters to heat up. We're going to turn on the vacuum pump, and then we're going to turn on the whole system, and then it's ready. These have raised where we place the trays, and they're ready to receive the trays. We're going to start with some meals. And we're going to do this, we can do this a couple of ways. We're going to start by just pressing it once, lowers the trays, it advances the film. Ready? Then I can press the button again. The hood will lower. Keep your fingers out of the way. And that will do all of its process so that we wind up with a skin packaged meal, which will give you quite a long shelf life, especially if it's frozen. This cycle takes maybe 20-25 seconds to be complete. The hood will open when it's ready. And the trays will come up. We can see that they're skin packed. Well, that's pretty cool.
So it's not the number.
So the pre-Mac Maxi Skin from CiMa-Pak is ready to go. Now we're placing in poutine. We have 4 poutine. This machine can do 4 up of this size tray. And this time I'm going to hold the button. While I'm holding it, everything is put in place, the film is advanced, and the hood lowers. And it'll go through its process for 20-25 seconds.